Which statement correctly compares 2 times 100 plus 4 times 1 plus 5 times 1/10 and 204 and 5/100ths? We're looking at inequality symbols, so less than, greater than, equals, less than. So we need to figure out what this ugly gross number is first. 2 times 100 is 200. I can handle that. 4 times 1 is going to be 4. I can handle that. And I'm going to add 5 times 1/10, which is 5/10. So putting these numbers together, you have 200 plus 4, 204, and then your decimal, 5/10. So we need to compare that to 204 and 5/100ths. Now, when trying to find out what number is bigger or what number is smaller, you start from the leftmost digit using place value, then you work your way to the right until you have something different. The 2's are in the hundreds place, they're the same. The 0's are in the tens place, they're the same. The 4's are in the ones place, they're the same. The 5 is in the tenths place, and this 0 is also in the tenths place. 5 is greater than 0, which means this number, 204 and 5/10ths, is going to be greater than 204 and 5/100ths. So the one that seems to match up with that is going to be B.